Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Legends Hub. Today we are diving into the world of multimedia in HTML. I will show you how to embed videos using the video tag, how to add YouTube videos using the iframe, and also audio with the audio tag. Let's get started. First, let's learn how to add a video to your web page using the video tag. So this tag will allow you to embed videos directly from your local storage, not from online. So this is a simple example of how to do it. You go with your video tag, you specify the source, like where you are getting this video from. If you check in my folder or in my explorer, I have a video here called sintel.mp4. So this is the video I will use. What I do was I downloaded this video from online, I save it here with the name that I love. I save it to my folder. So we have this video here. So I'll put my source. Then what do I need? I need the video source. Like where am I getting it from? I specify here. Since I'm getting it from the same browser, from the same folder, or from the same directory, I don't need to specify anything like // // so I don't need all those things. Because they're in the same directory, what I will do is just to put the name sintel.mp4. Then you have to specify the type of video you are sending to the browser. Let's say type video /mp4. We have different types of video, and some browsers doesn't support all types of video, so you can specify video.ogg depending on your video format. So if in case your browser doesn't support that type of video you are specifying or your video format, what do? You specify a fallback message or a callback message in case the video is not loading or your browser doesn't support the video. So what will I do in my case now? I'll specify a callback video, a fallback text. Your browser does not support this format. So let's assume you use this video in an older version of browser. So instead of the space being blank or your video just keep loading all the time, loading. So what we have to show is to show this to the user so that they will know, okay, maybe their browser is not working well, so they should change their browser and some other stuff. So if you save this thing, I'll refresh. We have this blank video. There is no button to play or do anything. So what do we have to do is to put our controls. So I'll put my controls so that we can play, pause, zoom, full screen and other things. So I'll specify the height of the video that I want. Let's say I need 400. Then the width of 5, okay, let's say 450. So let's check again. We have this video here. So let's play. Because of the controls that we put, we can play, we can mute, we can zoom full screen, we can resize it back. So you can do everything because of this control that I put. From this control now you can you can also decide the one that you want to show and the one you don't want to show from these controls that are here. If in case you don't have video in your source directory like this sintel.mp4 and you want to use videos like YouTube videos and some other online videos, what do you have to do? You don't have to use this video again. You will use iframe. So I copy this my YouTube video link so that I can use it for this tutorial. If you are copying this from your YouTube or any YouTube, they will not put it like this. What they will put is youtube.be.com, all those things /watch. So YouTube doesn't allow you to play your YouTube video using that format. Any video that contains that watch will not play in your browser. So let's refresh this by removing this. Okay, let's comment it out and use the iframe. What do we need? We need the width. Okay, let me first specify the source where I'm copying this video from my YouTube. So saving this, we have this frame alone and we have this control. Then I'll specify my width and height and some other things. Width of 400 and height of 300. You know, we love seeing rectangular formats of videos. Like we love our videos being in rectangle format, so that's why my width will be more higher than my height. Then I can disable this border. If you check the video very well, you see a border, so let's disable it. We don't need that border, so we say frame border. of 0. And what else do we need? You can add your title. You can allow full screen, because right now you cannot play this video full screen. So what you have to do is to allow full screen. Then how do you do it? Allow full screen. So let's refresh. We have this now, so you can play your video. It's playing. You can allow full screen. Back on the HTML for Absolute Beginners course. Today we will talk about HTML links and navigation. Now let's see how we can add an audio to our web page, just like the video. So HTML has a built-in audio tag. I'll show you a simple example on how you can do it and achieve exactly as my own. So if you see how we do this video part, you can do exactly like this for audio. Let's get started. We put the audio. We close it. What are the things that we need? From this our video, you can copy this because we need the source. You can still type it if you want. If you check in my folder or explorer or in this my YouTube file, I have a song here, yeshua.mp3, sorry. So let me play this one, yeshua.mp3. Then what's the format now? Or the type is audio/mp3. Let's save. We refresh. Let's comment this iframe out. If you see nothing is showing, if you refresh again, it's empty, but the video is there. What should be the error now? The error is that we don't have any control to play or pause the music, so we need to specify our controls. Save it and refresh. We have this, so you can play your song. Playback speed. You can do a lot of things that you wish. So you have learned that these controls now help you to play, pause, and some other attributes. Then the source, you can specify multiple choice or multiple sources. Let's say I want to do something like, I have another file that they call yeshua.ogg. Then I will say audio.ogg. So there is nothing much. So what if your music is not playing or your audio is not working? You have to put a fallback message as we did for this video. So you can do exactly as I do here and save it. In case your browser doesn't support this type of music, then this text will show. And that's it. Now you know how to embed videos and audio in HTML. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more coding tips, and let me know in the comment section what you would like to learn next. See you in the next video.